So we're entering the model unit, 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom, roughly 2090 square feet. Here in a mammoth community near the Bangalore International Airport. This is your living and dining. This is your first bedroom attached with the washroom. That is your deck space that you get. This is a totally 135 acre township with row houses, plots, villas, apartments, so on and so forth. This is how the living and dining reads. So this project is a stone's throw away from the airport, part of the huge land parcel of 135 acres. It has everything: plots, villas, row houses, townhouses, apartments, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, the works. Very large development, a mammoth development, so to speak, for the city of Bangalore, for people looking at premium apartments from a very well-known developer with full clarity, legal work, paperwork, all in the clear with clear handouts and timelines. You can definitely come and look at this particular project. It is something that is future ready. It has been planned for the future, and people have shown a fantastic, overwhelming response to this particular project as well. So this is a 2090 or 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom unit. They have one model apartment which I'm showcasing you. The project is in very advanced stages of construction. The developer needs no introduction. The name synonymous with India's development as a developer is doing this particular project. Okay, so whatever requirement you might have, whether a row house or a townhouse or an apartment, you can come and get here. North Bangalore near the airport. The skyline is going to change. It's going to change very fast, and it's going to change very, very soon. So this is how it is. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. Vincent from Golden Key Realty.